Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your MPIN on GCash step by step so you can keep your account secure. First, open the GCash app on your smartphone and log in with your current MPIN. Once you're logged in, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Next, select Security Settings and then tap on Change MPIN. You may be asked to verify your identity with a one-time password or OTP sent via SMS to your registered mobile number. Enter the code carefully. After verification, enter your current MPIN, then type in your new MPIN. Make sure it's a number you can remember but is hard for others to guess. Confirm your new MPIN by entering it again. Once confirmed, you'll see a message that your MPIN has been successfully updated. From now on, use the new MPIN to log into your GCash account. If you forget your MPIN, you can always reset it by tapping Forgot MPIN on the login screen and following the instructions to verify your account. Keeping your MPIN secure is important for protecting your money and personal information. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.